Kiss your doggy. Kiss. Kiss Shibra. Kiss. Kiss your dog. Oh, nice. Kiss your dog. Kiss your dog, Troy. Kiss your doggy. Whose doggy that? Kiss your dog, Troy. Kiss. Kiss Shibra.
Oh my god, you suck.
Troy. Kiss your doggy.
No hit mark.
Oh, he got hair in his mouth.
I basically killed you, but I got a hit mark.
Must be.
If
like-
you got a hit marker, you're allowed to use your pistol.
He got hair in his
Oh,
mouth.
dirty, dirty.
Ew.
No,
Oh.
no, take it. No. No. There's dirty. Just put it to his mouth. No. No, hindi. Hindi.
Oh, I caught you.
Hindi.
You're in trouble. Oh, Troy, look. Peekaboo. Oh, are you stuck? Oh, no. Kiss Shibra.
I like to bite again.
Where are you?
Biting.
Hurry
He
up.
wants to wait.
Biting.
Oh, that's what it is. It's the couch.
It's biting.
He's taking the leather off of the couch. That's why I said that the couch is not good.